Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I have another 2024 Mustang. This one here is actually the 6-speed manual, so it'll be kind of interesting to see the difference between the 10-speed and the manual transmission. And this one is also a 301A package. So in this video I want to go over obviously the 2024 Mustang and then the 301A package and what kind of upgrades it includes. So let's first go ahead and start off here in the front. This one also has the Night Pony package, and it's black, so the Night Pony package has a black roof and stuff, but since this one's already black, it kind of blends in a little bit more. But we have a really nice upgraded, or not upgraded, but black headlights. So it has like the nice dark finish inside. We got a fake vent on that side, and then we got some functional venting down below, functional venting up top with the black pony. The black definitely does look really menacing. It's a really good looking car for sure. This is the first 2024 Mustang that we have in stock, or that we got in stock. Obviously we have another one here now, but this is like the first one that we got in stock. Got the really nice 19-inch wheels. They have Continental tires, so they're not using those Pirellis anymore because the Pirellis were not the greatest, but these ones are 255/40 19s. Really good looking wheels. We got the nice silver caliper now instead of that primer gray finish on the old one, and it says Mustang, and it even says Brembo on it right there. You can see it says Brembo, so that's pretty nice. And I will say that the brakes do feel better in this one than the previous S550 Mustang. They feel a lot stronger. And then if you look back here, oh, we got a boxer engine over there. This one does have the active exhaust system. Sorry, I'm kind of standing in the way there. So this one does have the quad tip active exhaust. It's got the little deck lid spoiler, the black GT badge, rear parking sensors on this one. Just a really good looking car. But let's go ahead and pop the hood and see what we're working with under the hood. All right guys, just pop the hood. We do have hood struts now on the 2024 Mustang, so that's a huge improvement. Got the nice 5.0 engine cover. It looks a lot better than the previous gen, and then obviously we have the dual intakes there. 486 horsepower and 418 pound-feet of torque because this one has the active exhaust. If it did not have the active exhaust, it would have 480 and 415 torque. So this one is the most potent version, and then obviously, like I said, this is paired up with the 6-speed MT82 manual transmission. All right guys, let's go ahead and hop inside. So we got the upgraded, or I should say the new door handle. So it looks like similar to like a Ford Explorer's door handle. You can lock it by holding your hand there, and then you just walk up to unlock it. And then like I said, this one is the 301A package, so I'll kind of go over what the 301A package includes. So the door panel is the same as the base model. So we have the hard touch plastic up here. We have the nice cloth right here, like a leather type material there. Everything else is very similar to a normal 300A Mustang. But we do have these power seats now. So you get a power driver seat if you get the 301A package, and then the sides of the seats are ActiveX, like vinyl, instead of being full cloth. So it does kind of have a two-tone seat, so that's kind of an interesting design, how they did the two-tone. So this is like vinyl right here. And then it does have ambient lighting, so I don't know if you guys can see the little green in there, but yeah, you guys can see it a little bit. It does have ambient lighting, so that's pretty cool. This part's all the same, your light controls, steering wheel, all that stuff. But let's go ahead and hop inside. All right guys, like I mentioned, this one's a 6-speed manual, so let's go ahead and put it in neutral here and start it up. The new Mustang has a really, really good sound. All right, so the gauges and all that stuff will be exactly the same from the 300A to the 301A. But you can see there, we have the nice colored gauges there. The huge screen, it's still separated. You have to go to the premium to have the connected screen. But this one does have dual zone climate control, so you guys can see we have the left side and the right side. And this one also has heated seats, not ventilated, but heated seats. So that's another upgrade that you get with the 301A package. We got these nice lights up here. They are LEDs, so that's nice. Ford did upgrade to LEDs. Got a little glasses holder that's over here now instead of on the side over here like it was on the older Mustang. Nice steering wheel. All the features should be the same on the steering wheel. You can change like your different drive modes and all that stuff. So we have normal, sport, track, drag strip, slippery, custom, and then back to normal. And the graphics are really quick. They're not super laggy, so I like that part too. Steering feel right here, we have normal, comfort, and sport. We got the porters watching me do a video. Anyway, Down below here we have our pony button, so that goes to all like the Mustang modes, traction control, hazards, a special button, so you can actually program that to be whatever you want. Like for example, you can have it be the active exhaust, a rev match. So you can, it's called a favorite button, so you can do that. Max defroster, volume knob, engine start stop button, which is kind of like dual, so that's kind of interesting. And then we got 2 USBs down there, a nice area to put your phone, not wirelessly charging though. And then we got a 12 volt, obviously the MT82. No ambient lighting in the cup holders anymore, even on the premium one, so Ford did kind of downgrade on that one. But we do have an electronic parking brake. Got this nice soft console here and lots of storage in there, and it actually has a light. So 301A package gets a light, the 300A package does not get a light in here. The 301A package does get a speaker up here because it has a 9-speaker system. The base Mustang gets like a black plastic panel, like cover piece here, because there's no speaker. And then the B&O sound system has this speaker, but it's branded as B&O. So this one has the upgraded stereo as well. So the 9-speaker is a pretty big improvement over the 6-speaker. I've heard both of them. And then the B&O is obviously like a really good sound system. But as far as this screen's concerned, I'm not going to go too much in depth with this. I might make a full video on just going over the features of the screen, but obviously you have your audio, you can connect your phone. It does have wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, all that good stuff. If you go to features, you can go to the My Mustang stuff, digital owner's manual, track apps, all that stuff, and then it has that cool like car that you can spin. And this one does have the active exhaust, like I said, so we'll go over those modes in just a bit. Back seat in the Mustang is not an area where you like to spend time, but you do have back seats back there just because. And then they do have the two-tone like vinyl and the cloth. Got our little glove box over here, but let's go ahead and check out the trunk, hear this exhaust, and then let's take this Mustang for a spin. All right guys, we're in the back here now. We got the cool little Mustang Generations right here. So that's a cool little Easter egg that they have on the new Mustang. Got our floor mats. This one does have a spare wheel and tire back there. And then this is all the same as the S550. And they do still have a light in here, so that's nice. Guys, I'm excited to take this Mustang for a spin. Let's go ahead and get going now. Really easy to take off. I like that part. Manuals are pretty fun. If you guys don't know, I do have a Dark Horse on order. I don't know why mine's taking so long to get here, because we're getting a lot of 24 Mustangs now. By the way, that leads me into my next point. If you guys are interested in a 2024 Mustang and you're in the Las Vegas area, I'd be more than happy to help you out with a special order. Or if you want to buy one on the lot, like for example, this one is for sale. So feel free to reach out to me. I'll put my contact info in the description. I got the Fox body cluster rocking right now. So that's a pretty cool design there. And it's pretty responsive too, like you can see the RPMs. They're pretty responsive, so that's nice. I should have brought a hat so I can do a POV drive, so I don't have to worry about keep switching hands. The manual drive's really good, to be honest with you. You know, you hear a lot of bad things about the MT82 with like you know, shift forks and it locking out of gears and stuff, and that is very true sometimes. But if you're just driving it normally and you're not, you know, going like a maniac, it actually drives really good. It's a nice smooth, seems pretty smooth for the most part. And then you have like the rev matching, so like if I wanted to go to second gear, you can see there it rev matches, so that's nice. Exhaust sounds really good too. It does like all kinds of little pops and stuff. Really quick too. Definitely feels like it has all of that 486 horsepower with the you know, the manual feels good. Now the gears are pretty long in the MT82, but it does feel nice. Like I'm in second gear, just cruising through this parking lot. Suspension feels the same as the S550. I don't really notice a difference there. But I do notice a difference in the steering. So it feels a little bit lighter Feels a little bit kind of, definitely different than the S550. And then the brakes are better too. The brakes feel really good actually. It could be just the pedal feel, I don't know, but the brakes do feel like they're improved. Alrighty, here we go. That's a lot of fun. That is a lot of fun. The sound is so good that I see why people like the manual so much, just because the sound alone, like obviously the manual operation's fun and stuff, but the sound alone, the manual just makes the 5.0 sound so much better than it already does. And I might be going crazy, but for some reason this one feels like it's louder than the active exhaust automatic version. I don't know if they're doing like some sort of augmented sound in this car, but it feels louder than the automatic one. So we can do just a little acceleration here. Nothing crazy, it's still a new car, but that's fun. That's a lot of fun actually. And that active rev match makes you look like a professional. Now I'd love to turn it off so I can practice doing it myself, like if I were to own a manual transmission Mustang, but having it on is really cool, especially if you like daily drive the car or in traffic or something. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed my video showing off the 301A manual transmission S650 Mustang. So let me know what you guys think about it in the comments below. Stay tuned for future S650 videos. I'm gonna do some night videos. I'm gonna do some more driving videos comparing the trim levels. I'm gonna do a fully loaded one, like a 401A package, all kinds of stuff. So definitely stay tuned for that, guys. And like I said, if you're interested, feel free to reach out. My contact info will be in the description below. Please give a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.